Man, what is the frickin' TikTok shop smoking? Do you see these frickin' things? Look at the size of that blade. That's perfect for camping, chopping up firewood. If you've ever been like stuck in the road because trees and branches are in the way, you can have your little axe here and start chopping away. I have our bottle opener with a carabiner right here, and we have these 5 different sizes, and we can basically use this as a wrench. And this little slot right here is for cutting rope. Only difference between these two is one is a pickaxe, which this is great for like chopping up ice and stuff like this, and then a hammer, which comes in handy in any situation. They're light enough where you can swing them with one hand without getting fatigued, but they're large enough you can still use 2 hands if you need to. Both the axes come with super nice sheaths. Quality on these are super impressive. If you're interested in checking these out, I'll leave the link where I got these down below.